In conclusion, in this course, we've seen various elements of methods for you to be able to output your content. For example, if we go to this drop-down menu, we've looked at posters, flyers, invitations, and postcards. We can in fact also look at printing t-shirts in the very same way that we did all of the other print materials. We also looked at each element of the Canva for Work bundle: resizing, the brand kit, animation, images, folders, our transparent backgrounds, and different fonts. And we did live examples of different methods of being able to output content into different formats. Branding and resizing gives us the ability to take one of our existing designs and create other forms. For example, we can take an existing form to create a t-shirt. We can then resize the design and make it available on a t-shirt. And we can order in various quantities. We've also looked at how Canva works with teams. And we've looked at Canva for Work in a way so that you'll be able to tell if this is something that's going to be worth the investment. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.